Buenas noches, Keenan. How are you doing? It's been a long quarter. Alright, this is PA4. Let's get started. Let me show you what I got for now. So I got your 5 models, no textures. I even got my lighting engine in here, so you're gonna see a few lights. There's a blue one. Anyway, there's a spaceship, there's a island with weird normals, there's a donut, there's a D12 dice, or at least what looks like one. There's a pyramid, there's the model that has been referenced in the students folder, and there's a Lego brick. Now, let me show you, I'm going to show you right now vodka in work, and I'll show you then later on the spew packager. Alright, so I've taken the liberty of already packing these. In fact, this is the second recording, so, Anyway, but I'm going to be packaging this guy, Island, and all you got to do is, just you call vodka, and then it's called island.bdmp, the name of my file, and then in this case it will be the dd.below file, and then you go it'll be a first type, and as for the name, I'm just going to call it Island because that's the name I use in my engine. We got it, and it cranks out the blow file. Here we go. Island BDMP, and the entire data. Alright, now that this is done, I'm going to pack it up using Liu. Alright, so now for Liu, let me just put this down. There we go. Sorry, I don't remember the command console. So, again, then I'm just going to say liu.exe, and then the name, I'm just going to call it modelpack.spu. The name, I don't know, model pack, and then finally, as for version, I'm just going to say 1.0. Whoops, sorry, 1.0 version, whatever. Back it up, and there we go. So our package is done, and there we go. It's called model pack SPU, and now I'm going to take this into the engine itself and open it up from there. So I have the model pack SPU, the package, in here in my Azul engine folder, and in my code I have the eat function. Let's see, let's start with the donut. So if we go in here, I give it the name of the package and the name of the object we're looking for, or the name it was packaged as. We have the create val from SPU, and we have the open SPU, which is the equivalent of the eat function, basically. This is my eat function that I brought from PA1, and that's pretty much it. If we go into detail with this, for example, again, we're just going to go in there, and then in here, I open the SPU, I have the buffer, memcopy, we get the header of the file, and we're supposed to get everything. We got the vertices, and then we got the triangles, and this was the donut, and the same thing will go for the D12, the gaff, the pyramid, and the island. And voila, we have the donut with the correct normals. This model was correctly made in FBX, so was that one, so was this guy. The pyramid's got a few normals janked up in there, I still gotta fix that. The gaff, this was a model provided in the student reference folder, well, in the common folder. Normals look okay, so that worked in the FBX converter. And also, here's the island and the Lego brick, but this was not in the package. I uploaded this separately. So, well, I do have my lighting engine. Let me show you, or let me convert an FBX with using my converter. So, I'll be right back. Let me just, if I can see the pause button in this thing. Oh, there it is. Alright, so we are in my folder, which is the model converter. I'm going to be converting. As you can see, I have a lot of FBXs. My friends at work have been sending me non-stop. There are many FBXs. So I'm just going to go ahead and pick the Mayapod. Here, let me erase this. Let me erase the Mayapod.txt. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to call out the model converter. There we go. .exe, and then I'm just going to specify mayapod.fbx, and then I only have one more variable called name, and then in this case I'm just going to call it mayapod, and that's it. Oh, in this case, let me just give me the mayapod.txt, crank that out, and there we go. It cranks out a mayapod BDMP maya.txt, and I'm now going to take this to the engine just to make sure that it does. So here we go, maya.pot.bdmp. Let's build this, and I'm going to take out that one right there. I'm going to run this, and I substituted with the Lego. So there it is. There's the teapot. Obviously the normals, something's up with the normals. I'm not sure if this is I need help from the artists, or I gotta fix something in my converter. But yeah, for like the island, for example, is a custom model that I got on the internet. This one was sent from my friends, the teapot. They use 3D Max. And again, I'm not sure if this is my converter, but that's my only issue that I have right now. Obviously, no textures. I'm still working on that, although the animation system's a little bit more pressing at the moment. But that's pretty much it. No radius. Well, hold on. Let me show you one more thing. And finally, well, here's the box, the wire box. Although I know it's not a box, it's supposed to be a sphere, but you know, it's the same shader and that takes in the wire shader that will take in the sphere of the model itself. I'll keep working on it, although I'll be doing the animation system first. But you know, just wanted to let you know that the bounding box isn't there, at least not for the models yet. But at least I got the converters, the FBX converter, the Vodka Liu, and you know, the loader in this case, loading them from the package, not separate individually. So that'll be all, and hopefully everything's up to date, and I'll keep looking into this normal problem. Hopefully it's an issue with me and not my friend's normal, but you know. Alright, I'll see you later.